Team of the season is approaching us. But first, we got best of team of the weeks. There's, I guess, a little warm up before team of the season. We got 30 player picks, and then we got another 20 packs. I want to try and get either Vinny, Mappe, of course everyone wants Mappe, and Ter Stegen. One of those will fit really well with the team. I'll take anybody, to be honest. I have these player picks, I need to get rid of them. So let's go ahead. Sorry. Let's go ahead and open them. They're 1 out of 3, 81 plus rare player picks. First one, no team of the week. We got Sané. Dude, did you guys see Sané's run in the game against Arsenal? That was amazing. We got one. Oh, Sherman. Woohoo! On the third one with Bernardo Silva, by the way. Yo, okay. What a start. What a freaking start. 90 overall also. We got 87 bronze. All right, these are looking juicy. That's awesome. Now, if we get Mappe, that would be insane. Or Vinny. Vinny would be awesome also. Get another left wing. Martins at 84. All right, halfway done. 15 more to go, I believe. Martinez. That thing kind of jacked everything up, huh? I'll take Luis Alberto.
Yeah, boy.
Got another one. I think this is this week's team of the week, but we get another one. We got a team of the week. That's cool. I saw the black, I'm like, oh. But we'll probably go into SBC. We get another 85. Come on, Dia, come on. I'll take Dia. Mappe in this one, right? No. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Then another team of the week. It's not the best of the team of the week, but we got another one. 3 team of the week so far. One of them being best team of the weeks. Had to calm down. Had to relax. Ooh, we got Petri. Actually, is he in best of the team of the week, or is he in this week's team of the week? I'll have to double check. Got Isak, 2 more. Alright, let's end it off in the bank. This one will be either Mappe, Vinny, or Ter Stegen. Oh well. Okay, we got 3 team of the weeks. Not complaining. Dybala and Donnarumma would be nice too. Alright, so we're on to our own packs. Got about 20 packs to open. Let's make the most of it. I'll show the good ones. If there's not anything good, you'll know. Like this one's just a common. So let me know if you guys got any of the best of the team of the weeks. Let me know if you guys were lucky enough to get the ones I want. Whether that be Mappe, Ter Stegen, or Vinny. Those are like the top 3 I want. Cheeky little 1,000 coins. Alright, got another 80 plus times 5. Oh, Austria, striker. That's Seattle Sounders? Oh. Okay. Got another info. What did I say? Austria? That's Peru. Is that Peru? Yep. Because it didn't have the little symbol when it popped up. Hey, we'll take another info though. That's pretty sick. Alright, 84 plus rare gold player pack. Uh... 86 overall. Second walkout of this pack opening. do this 83 plus times 3. Netherlands. CM. De Jong. Alright, another walkout. 87 overall. Third one of the pack opening. Down to the last 5. Let's see. We'll see. Anything's possible, right? We've had last pack magic before. Anything's possible. German striker. Pop! Dude, I think like, what, a month straight we've gotten her. That's freaking awesome. Alright, 83 plus times 3. English, center back. Stones? Yeah. Looks stone right there. 85 overall. 3 more packs. 21 more players. All of them gonna be 84 or higher. One of them's gotta be another team of the week. We got another best of Russian striker. What the? Oh, it's a double? Oh man. Hey, we got 2 team of the weeks though. That's kind of crazy, right? Gundawa, Sewell. Alright, can't complain. Alright guys, 84 plus 7, the second pack. We get another M4. No, we're getting the same guy. Oh god. It's a double. Oh, another. We got Ter Stegen! We got Ter Stegen! Oh my god, we got Ter Stegen. Oh my god, yes! 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 In the beginning of the video, I was saying, I want this one. Let's go, baby! 90 overall, team of the week, Ter Stegen. I got Modric too with it. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm happy. Successful pack opening. Let's see if we get a little cherry on the top of this last pack. We do not. Get John Stones bones again to end it off. Alright, what better way to end it off than with a team of the week player pick 1 out of 383 plus. I think I've done like 4 of these this year and they've all been craptastic. So let's go ahead and get this pointed one more time. Le Sommer, 87 overall. I'll take that. Yeah, boy. Ter Stegen, welcome to the club. To the club rejects. Guys, if you guys enjoyed, give a like. If you guys haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you guys got anything juicy from this week. I will probably start saving up packs until team of the season, like I did with team of the year. And hopefully we get lucky with that. Guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.